What is going on, guys? What is going on? I hope you are well. Let's start this off, guys. We're still in government shutdown, so to be honest, guys, this thing is still the same rules apply, you know, at least for today. I do see Dixie retracing just a little bit. I'm curious to see if this thing breaks today. Let's look at SPX here. SPX is bullish. I want to see a break above here. That makes sense? That way then we move to the upside. I don't really feel comfortable buying here. Where I would potentially buy is here. I'd feel comfortable here. Same thing, guys, with futures. You're looking for buys here, or I'm looking for buys. Is what I meant to say. Up these highs, maybe higher. Risk, low risk buy here, high risk buy here. Markets look so ugly, guys. They look really ugly, I'm not gonna lie. Gold is gonna continue until it hits this. Alright guys, I'm like up about almost 5K today with gold and everything here. And your yields are dropping. Wait. Retracing a bit. I want to see the 10-year yield either come here, drop below, or come here and drop below. Gold, what are we looking at with gold here? Gold is going to continue to run. Broke above the 1.62. What we need now today is we need to close here. If we get the close here, which I'm pretty confident, I hope we do. If not, then we're gonna start coming down. We're gonna go to the 2.618 and then for sure take profits here. This pullback earlier today was a re-entry. I've been buying back in, so bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, and now I'm still holding in pending trades. So I want to show you guys something. Hold on. Sometimes it's easier for you to see this when it's a line chart. Remember, the market is just market structure, right? You go up, you see that break of structure, it's easier to see. You look at the indecision, you buy. You see the second impulse move, see the pullback, indecision, you buy. Go, impulse, indecision, buy. Right? Impulse, pullback, indecision, buy. You see that? Sometimes it's easier to see it in the line chart. You have to be able to train your eye to see market structure. Okay, that's the goal, that's the key, okay? You gotta train your eye to see structure. That's it. That's all it is. This thing is rallying, guys. This thing is also breaking the Asian range, which is good. If gold is breaking the Asian range right now, especially after this candle here on internal structure and that mitigation, then we are good. If it breaks above this area here, obviously it's official break of structure, and we should see this at least go to at least here. I'm predicting this here. If you're not in this, if you haven't been following my buys, what I would suggest is to hold off and wait. I think price could pull back down here. Don't do anything sudden. I think price could pull back down here very quickly. Just relax. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm looking at another trade. Alright guys, so with USD CAD, let's look at this right here. My bad guys. Alright, I've been calling buys on CAD here, and I've just been kind of chilling here. This right here is what? The impulse move. So what are we looking for? We're looking for the correctional wave. Okay, what are we looking for here? We're looking at this structure point break, and then also, wow, that is such bullshit. This thing broke structure here, but still is running and rising, right? So, correction, then what do we have? Impulse move, right? So what are we looking for? We're looking for fib extension. Now we're looking for this here to most likely go where? If Dixie starts to run here, at least to the 1.24. All right, so now, why are we going to the 1.24? Well, if you watch the fib video, you'll know why. Okay, so what am I looking for next? Now I'm looking at internal structure. I want to see these breaks of internal and external structure, okay? I think, and I see this as reaccumulation here. So what am I looking for now? Now I'm looking at, okay, let's look at the 4 hour, look at the 3 hour, let's look at the 2 hour. This thing's extending already, so I need a pullback. 1 hour. Damn, the pullback just happened. I can already see it right here. It's all good, right? We're gonna wait for another pullback, but this area right here for USD CAD, you're going to, this was the pullback. That's why I was already like, damn, I see the pullback. It's fine. This was the pullback. It's fine. If we can't get in it right now, I'd maybe potentially hold off. Yeah, I'd hold off for now. Wait for another internal structure. I'd wait for a re-entry around here on micro structure. That area right there. That's what I'd wait for, guys, with USD CAD. We did have a close above, so this thing's gonna come back down and then run and rally. Let's look at crypto here. I'm still in some buys here for Bitcoin. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. What am I looking at right now with crypto? Daily. The total cryptocurrency market cap looks, I hate saying this to you guys. I really do, but it doesn't look bullish. It looks kind of bearish here. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm in a small buy just because potentially we might have a run, but the total cryptocurrency market cap does not look good at all. At all. Bitcoin looks better, but this chart here looks terrible. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the reason why. We broke daily structure, which historically is very bearish. We're mitigating. Yeah, we mitigated this area here too. Wow. Okay, I'm still in small buys near the bottom. Only because of this candle here. Wow, on Bitcoin it shows, here it doesn't. But I'm probably gonna start taking profits near here. Let's look at Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm still in this, guys. I'm not, you know. Yeah, you guys, I got back in. I got stopped out the other day. Yesterday. This wick right here. Oh my god, dude. So annoying. I got stopped out last night. Oh. It's all good. It's like $100, $200, $300. It's nothing. Who gives a shit? I just showed you guys I was up fucking $26,000. If I just lost $300-400, who cares? Yeah, who cares? Alright guys, so this is what I'm thinking. I'm still in Bitcoin. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm still in Bitcoin. If you guys, this is what I'm doing. I got back in. If it pulls back, this right here is a good sign. I would like to believe so. What does this remind me of? Spring move. Wick-off theory. That's what this reminds me of. Okay? So, because of that, I'm still looking for more buys, little small buys here. This thing pulls back down, I'm probably going to start buying even more. Just a little bit. Little bit. And then stack slowly to the upside. That's what I'm going to start doing. Okay? I'm just letting you guys know that's what I am doing. You guys can do whatever you guys want. This is what I'm doing. Okay? And it'll be a tight stop. Right? So I'm just waiting. As long as it doesn't break this here, I'm gonna stay in it for on the 1 hour time frame. Put very small buys. The reason why is because the risk to reward is so good. You know, that's the only reason, guys. The reason I want to take it is look at this risk to reward, guys. I'm looking at potentially a 1 to 10, 1 to 11. Who else in the trading space is giving out 1 to 11s? Like, you know, how many setups do you get a year that's a 1 in 11, you know, or a 1 to 10? You know, that only gold gives opportunities like that. So that's why I'm looking to get into this here. In small areas and then potentially buy up. The risk to reward is just there, you know. Risk $20 to make 200. The risk to reward is there. That's why I'm doing it. If the risk to reward wasn't there, I wouldn't be doing it. Risk $2,000 to make potentially $20,000. That's the risk to reward there, guys. Like, that's why I'm just like, I'm more inclined to it. Okay, MSRT still doing its thing, still down, doing whatever. I might get stopped out of this. I don't even really care. Risk to reward, again, it's part of it. Coinbase finally mitigated the zone. We're still up on Coinbase here. I'm still probably going to hold Coinbase as long as markets hold. I'm going to hold Coinbase. I think Coinbase is doing a nice pullback. for an extension to the upside. That's what I believe. I believe we could extend even more. We can make another higher high here and start to hit these highs here with Coinbase. Okay, so that's just my thinking here. Okay, SPX not really doing much. I gave you guys some trade ideas. We're just kind of monitoring some of our old trades with gold and some of the trades that I've given out already. So that's just my thinking. Other than that, guys, if there's any other questions you have, feel free to ask me in the chat. I appreciate y'all, love y'all, and I will talk to y'all soon. Any other questions, let me know, keep me updated, and let's chat again.